Today is January 23rd, 2016. I am in New York during the middle of a blizzard. I was supposed to see two shows today, and both were canceled. I was supposed to see Kinky Boots, and I was supposed to see Sheer Madness, but both were canceled. But not to worry, I found another show that is open, and I'm walking up Broadway to see the show. And when I say walking up Broadway, I'm walking right up the middle of the street because the entire island of Manhattan has been closed to automobile traffic. The only vehicles I've seen on the road are emergency vehicles. So I get to walk right up Broadway while it is still snowing and go to the show that I found, a show called Perfect Crime, I think, at Anna Bernstein Theater. New York in the middle of a blizzard is kind of relaxing. It makes the city a beautiful city, and I'm having a good time walking right up the middle of the street. Here we are, Broadway and 49th. I'm up on 50th. Enjoy your day wherever you are. I'm enjoying a snowy day in New York.